Selecting the right first aid kits for outdoor use involves balancing weight, accessibility, and utility. To provide you with the most reliable recommendations for your next trek, we put various setups through rigorous testing, assessing them on their overall portability, internal organization, and the diversity of medical supplies included. Each kit was further scrutinized for the durability and high-grade quality of its components to ensure performance in the field. Finding the perfect first aid kits for outdoor can be overwhelming, with so many options offering different features, durability, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've researched dozens of models, analyzed thousands of customer reviews, and narrowed them down to the 5 first aid kits for outdoor you can buy today. Whether you need one for everyday carry, camping, DIY projects, or emergency repairs, there's an option here for every budget. Number 1. General Medi Mini. The General Medi Mini packs an astonishing amount of first aid supplies into an incredibly compact package. While it appears small, it truly delivers. When checking its contents prior to an extended winter trek in Utah, we were thoroughly impressed by the sheer volume of gear included. A plastic zip-top bag inside the main zippered pouch compresses and secures everything, maintaining the kit's slim profile. This setup effectively blocks out rain, though with prolonged use, the plastic interior bag could wear down or puncture, potentially letting moisture slip in. Additionally, this dense packing method makes it somewhat challenging to sort through supplies. We frequently had to dump out half the contents just to retrieve specific items, even though larger bandages remained relatively easy to grab. On the positive side, the kit provides a generous supply of gauze and bandages. None of the included items, including ointments or medications, come with an expiration date. Still, given the budget-friendly price and the volume of gear provided, picking up a few extra essentials on your own feels like a minor trade-off. Number 2. Surviveware Small. The Surviveware Small stands out as a premier value-driven choice for adventurers seeking a streamlined, highly portable medical solution. Its diminutive footprint ensures it slides effortlessly into any pack, while versatile attachment points allow for external mounting on belts or rucksacks. The interior is stocked with critical emergency gear, including a CPR mask, latex gloves, and various dressings, alongside trail essentials like moleskin and adhesive strips for minor blisters. This setup serves as a perfect baseline for those who favor a modular approach, as it avoids the clutter of pre-packed medications prone to expiration. During our field tests, which ranged from casual treks in Ohio to more demanding Utah backpacking excursions, we noted significant interior volume available for expansion. This extra space easily accommodates personal requirements like water treatment tabs, analgesics, or supplemental gauze, allowing for a truly bespoke kit tailored to the specific environment. One of the most impressive features is the internal organization. Every mesh pocket is clearly labeled with bold text, making it incredibly simple for anyone to identify supplies at a glance. Visibility is excellent through the mesh barriers, and a smooth two-way zipper system provides rapid access when seconds count. Furthermore, the rugged fabric shell is built for longevity, demonstrating the resilience needed to withstand the rigors of frequent outdoor use. Number 3. Welly First Aid Kit. The Welly First Aid Kit is a standout choice for families seeking a dependable, straightforward solution for car camping excursions. It ensures you remain fully stocked with the most critical essentials for treating minor injuries. During our field tests, the brightly colored and playfully patterned bandages proved to be more than just visually appealing. They demonstrated impressive adhesion, staying secured to fingers longer than many competitors. The collection offers a vast array of fabric and waterproof options in numerous shapes and sizes to suit any small wound. While the kit excels in dressing variety, its scope is primarily focused on minor wound care. Beyond the extensive bandage selection, the interior contains a lean supply of gauze pads, cleansing wipes, and butterfly closures, alongside tape and individual packets of hydrocortisone and antibiotic ointment. Because these components are provided in limited quantities, this setup is strictly optimized for managing superficial cuts and abrasions. For more significant medical emergencies, users will need to supplement this kit with additional specialized tools not found in the original tin. For adventurers staying relatively close to home, this streamlined inventory offers a solid level of preparedness. The supplies are housed in a durable metal container that, while rugged, lacks water resistance and is better suited for a vehicle trunk or camper than a backpacking rucksack. It serves as an excellent, reliable hub for treating the inevitable blisters and scrapes that occur on family outings, provided it is kept in a dry, accessible location. Number 4. Adventure Medical Kits Hiker. Whether you're planning an extended day hike for a group of friends or an easy backpacking trip for 2 over the weekend, the Adventure Medical Kits Hiker Kit likely contains most, if not everything, you need to stay happy and healthy outdoors. It's highly portable, lightweight, and includes a small first aid manual in case you get into a jam. Ideal for group day treks or brief weekend outings for 2. The Adventure Medical Kits Hiker provides a comprehensive array of medical essentials to maintain safety in the field. This setup is remarkably lightweight and portable, featuring an included instructional manual to assist during critical situations. While its stated capacity covers a pair of hikers for 48 hours, our field testing during a southern Utah backpacking expedition suggested a need for supplemental emergency gear for remote travel. In its stock configuration, the kit excels for moderate excursions near trailheads. However, the available interior volume allows for the addition of trauma supplies like triangle bandages or a CPR mask, making it easily adaptable for more strenuous adventures. Experienced outdoorsmen who are adept at improvising first aid solutions without bulky hardware may find this streamlined inventory perfectly sufficient for short-duration wilderness trips. It is important to note that the outer shell is not waterproof, requiring careful storage during storms. Its slim profile, however, makes it simple to slide into a dry bag or plastic pouch, ensuring your medical supplies remain protected regardless of weather conditions. Number 5. Adventure Medical Kits Ultralight/Watertight 0.7. Primarily engineered for day-long excursions, but easily adaptable for multi-day treks, the Adventure Medical Kits Ultralight/Watertight 0.7 ranks among our top selections for its impressive portability and moisture protection. During our field evaluations in Big Bend National Park, the high-visibility yellow pouch remained easy to locate even when stashed deep within a cluttered rucksack. This setup comes well-equipped with essential trauma and wound care gear, including medical tape, nitrile gloves, precision tweezers, and a variety of dressings and moleskin. While the quantity of each component is kept lean to prioritize a lightweight profile, the available interior volume allows for further customization. By integrating personal essentials like a CPR mask, adventurers can easily scale this baseline kit for more demanding wilderness travel. Although the lack of internal dividers can make retrieving specific items slightly more time-consuming, the trade-off for such a compact footprint is negligible. While the outer shell provides a layer of protection, the primary defense against the elements is the internal zip-top bag, which proved significantly more resilient and robust than standard plastic liners found in competing budget models. For groups of 2 or 3 prioritizing weight savings on extended trails, this remains a premier choice for reliable field medical support. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews. You'll find all of today's products and their latest prices in the description below. Which first aid kits for outdoor is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.